Hi everyone, my name is Joab and I am the owner of Platinum Plus Detailing, Ceramic Pro Costa Mesa, and I want to personally thank you for considering our shop for your paint protection film installation. I wanted to highlight our clean room that is here behind me because there's a lot of shops that don't actually have a room like this to do a PPF installation. So this is our clean room, guys, and this is where we do all our PPF installations, and we do this because we really want to control the environment that we're installing the film on. So we have an air filtration system up there that cleans the air that's in there, climate controlled. Our peel boards get cleaned on the daily, the floor gets cleaned daily, and yeah guys, it really makes a big difference in the quality of installation. If you go to a lot of shops, you'll see that they're polishing cars and doing ceramic coatings all in the same environment, and sometimes that environment is not the best for a good quality installation. Okay, we also want to extend the patterns on every single, we do a semi-bulk installation, so we extend all the patterns so that we can wrap any edge wherever an edge can be wrapped, it's wrapped around. So ideally we want to make it so that you know that you have paint protection, but you can't tell that you have paint protection film on your car, you know? So I wanted to highlight that. I want to thank you again. We're a business, we've been around for 20 years here in Costa Mesa, Orange County. We're a family-owned business. Almost everybody that works here is family. And we're also a veteran-owned business. I proudly served in the U.S. Navy, Iraq War veteran, and we're one of the best reviewed businesses in the area as well. So again, thank you. If you have any questions about the proposal that you received, feel free to reach out to us, but I hope this video was very informative for you. And again, thank you so much for considering Platinum Plus, and we're looking forward to protecting your car in the future.